Ladies and gentlemen, here we are at the Melbourne Home Show, the 41st year of the Melbourne Home Show. We're really excited this year. This show has been running consistently for 41 years, and this year we have an amazing street of houses. The street of houses can be seen here at the show and capture 5 beautiful houses, all different styles for your living. The very first home is the off-grid tiny house, ladies and gentlemen. This is just a beautiful home. It's easy move in and out of your property. It's made of beautiful timber. It's got beautiful solar panels on the top of the roof. And it is a really beautiful property. Plenty of room inside for easy living. For this tiny house, it's such beautiful living and an ideal weekender, an ideal opportunity for you to get away or to use as a permanent dwelling. The house itself is easy, as I said, to move in, easy for connections, and a really beautiful property. Our second house on the street is the Glam Tainer. This is probably one of my favorite houses of the 5, simply because the house is actually a shipping container, which is initially 6 by 3 in size, but the container itself pulls out to extend by another 15 square meters to give you 31 square meters of living space. But how beautiful is this? Look at the amazing bedroom. It's got its own self-contained kitchen and living area, plus its own bathroom and wardrobe at the back. This container can also be extended at the sides. So you can add another little sunroom, or you can also add another bedroom. A wonderful property for a lovely beachside location, or a small block of land, or a block of land can be used as a summer holiday or a summer home. The third house on our list is the safari tent. The safari tent is alternative living, very much European or Northern American. But this actual safari tent is beautiful inside. It's 70 square meters. It's all timber out of Denmark. The property itself has its own country-style kitchen. It's got a beautiful little bedroom area here for the kids. It's got its own parents' retreat here, plus its own shower and toilet set off here. The inside of this is 70 square meters, as I said, and a beautiful summer property, but can be used on any size land. And it's ideal for a family. It's a really beautiful property. We'll head now to our fourth house, and our fourth house is the house from the Tiny Footprint. Excuse me, sorry. Tiny Footprint, you okay? Tiny Footprint. This is a beautiful home, and again, built out of timber. It's rectangle in shape. It's easy access, and again, an ideal opportunity to put on a block of land as a second home, a holiday home, or for the kids, or for your parents. We'll walk up and just have a quick look on the ramp and have a quick look inside the home, but it's absolutely beautiful inside, and there's plenty of space for everybody. The home itself has a lounge room with a kitchen, a bedroom that comes from the top, and then a lovely bathroom up here. The house itself is easy to move in on your block of land and beautifully presented, as you can see. And it's fully air conditioned as well, of course, and plenty of brightness, plenty of space inside. It's a really nice home. We might head now to our fifth house, which is a house which is constructed by the group called Nested. This house is actually built for a charity group called Kids Undercover. If the house is sold, all the funds for this house will go straight to that charity, Kids Undercover, which is a fantastic cause. Ladies and gentlemen, the house has just been absolutely packed with people since we've opened the show at 10 o'clock this morning. It's a beautiful home inside. Come in and have a look at the house. We'll have a quick look. And again, very easy living and great use of space in this house. You've got a beautiful lounge room area, which looks into a lounge seating area and your bedroom behind. And then a small kitchenette, which is induction cooktop. And at the back, you've got a beautiful bathroom. The house itself has high ceilings, beautifully constructed. The company started building this on Monday and only finished early this morning, but absolutely magnificent house. And again, such easy living and a great holiday or permanent dwelling if that's what you're looking for. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our street of houses and we're really excited. And what we would like is for you to come and experience it yourself at the home show. It's the Melbourne Home Show in August. I'll take you back down to the street. Come down, we'll have a chat. And here we are. We'll head this way, ladies and gentlemen, along the street. Today, tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, the home show is on at the Melbourne Exhibition Centre. We'd love to hear your comments and feedback on Facebook. We'd love to see you here at the home show. Please come along to the 41st home show at the Melbourne Exhibition Centre and experience the street of houses for yourself. We'd love to see you.